Okay, good day everyone. So today we'll be making tangency. We want to replicate this exact thing in our paper. So I'd like you to stay tuned, and I hope you watch the last video. Continue to follow us for more edifying videos like this, so that your academic knowledge on technical drawing can be very sound. So let's draw our line first, our reference line, which we are going to be using. Let's draw something like this. So you have this line. Now on it, just pick any point on that line. Pick any point on that line. From here to here is 90. So mark 90. That is 0 to 9 centimeter, 90 millimeters. All dimensions are in millimeters. So from millimeter to centimeter is to, I told you in the last time, to divide by 10. You will get it in. You will get, so this is 90. This is 9. 0 to 9 and 90. Now the diameter of this outer circle here is 40 millimeters. Look at it. This symbol represents diameter. This symbol represents diameter. It represents diameter anywhere you see it. So that symbol, that one is giving us 40 millimeters. So the radius is going to be 20. Let's pick radius 20 from 0 to 2. 0 to 2, that is 2 centimeter, which is 20 millimeter, is the equivalent. All right, use it to draw the circle. Your circle should be thick because you are trying to show that work also. It should be thick. Make it as thick as possible. All right, we are through there. So we have inner circle. The diameter is what? 18 millimeters, which is 1.8 centimeter. So half of it is going to be 9. That is 0.9 centimeter, 0.9, which is 9 millimeters. Draw it, make it thick also. That's, you're trying to show that, you will show that circle also. Though your construction line should be faint lines. So we have that circle, beautiful. You have that circle, beautiful. So now take your 60 by 30 set square. I want us to draw this horizontal and vertical lines, and you use your set square to draw vertical lines resting on your what? T square. So place it there, place it there, place it, then place your set square on top your T square and draw. Make it faint line, also draw upwards. Do the same for this place also. Place it and what? Draw upwards likewise. All right, we are through with that. Now the height of this, the distance from this midpoint of this circle to this midpoint is given as 45 plus 20. That is what? 65 millimeters, and it's going to be what? 6.5 centimeters. 6.5 centimeters. I will just kindly measure it. 6.5 centimeter from 0 to 6.5. This is it. 0 to 6.5. Now if you take note, here to here is 20. I can also mark there also for reference point. So let me mark the 20 there. Yes. So I have that already. I have my 6.5 already. Let's also mark that place 6.5 too. Let's also mark that place 6.5 also. 6.5 what? Also 6.5 also, and or 2.5, so that if you connect them, we are certainly going to have 90. All right, is accurate. So you're going to have 90. Now connect the lines together. Connect lines together. Just a faint line. Play a faint line like that, connecting them. Also this place, connect the lines together. You make reference to those lines later on. Now from the midpoint, which is this very point, the center, the diameter of this outer circle is given as what? 54 millimeters, which is 27. If you divide by 2, it's going to be 27 millimeters in radius. That's the radius, and that would be 2.7 centimeter on our meter rule, because our meter rule is calibrated to be what? Centimeter. So 2.7. Let's take it. 2.7. 2.7 from the center of that point we've marked. Draw a circle 2.7. 2.7. Make it bold, because the circle is part of the things you are going to show and represent properly for everybody to see. Yeah, it's bold enough now. Now the inner circle, the diameter is what, 24 millimeter, which is 12 millimeters in radius. Now that in centimeter is going to be 1.2 what centimeter. Okay, this is 1.2 centimeter. I believe you can see this is one. You should know it is on a meter rule. 1.2 centimeter. All right, we'll draw that. All right, beautiful. We've done that. Now this is the other circle. Now I want us to draw this third circle before we now connect the lines. We do the tangency for the lines. This other circle, the midpoint is at this point that we marked, this point here. So the outer circle is what, diameter 60 millimeters, which is going to be what, in radius is going to be 30 millimeters. 60 divided by 2, 30, and that will be what, 3 centimeters in your meter rule, because it is calibrated to be centimeter from 0 to 3. Let's measure it from 0 to what, to 3. All right, this is it, 0 to 3. From this point, draw a circle as big as that. Make it thick also. Make sure your hands are firm. Let your hand be firm when drawing the circle, and make it bold. The work will be clear. Now the inner circle, the diameter is what, 34, which is going to be 17 and 1.7 centimeter. I believe by now you should have learned how to do the conversion, because I've been saying it countless times. 1.7 you need there, and draw this inner circle. Draw the inner circle. Draw the inner circle. All right, beautiful. We've done our 3 circles now. Now the next thing to do is to get this line and to get it. Now this is an external arc. Are we together? That is like a circle. If you complete this, is a circle, and the radius is given as 32. To get that external arc, for external arc E, to get the external, is going to be what, the given radius plus the radius of the circles. The given radius plus the radius of the circle. These are big. The given radius, which is 32, plus the radius of the what, even circles. So for this first one, you are going to have what, 32 plus radius of this circle is what, 27. That will give us what, 59 millimeters. That's what we use from here to draw. Then for this other part, you are going to have this E1 now. For E2, you are going to have what, the radius of this one, which is what, sorry, the given radius is 32. Remember the given radius plus the radius of this circle, which is what, 30. That will give us what, 62 millimeters. That's what we are going to use to draw. Now let's measure it. That 59 first of all. That is 5.9 on our meter rule. 5.9 on our meter rule. That is it. From this center, draw 5.9. Draw 5.9. Strike an arc of 5.9. Then the next one is 62. That is 6.2 centimeter. Mark it. And from this center also, strike an arc of what, 6.2. Now from this point of intersection of the arc, use it at radius for 32. Reduce it to 32 now, because that was the given radius. So and that's 3.2. Now you see, you can draw a full circle like that, but just what you need to do is to just get the point, the curve, just to get the curve and where they meet. So connect it. So this is the external curve. I believe you've seen it, you understand it, right? Now let's do for the internal. This one is internal. Why is it internal? Because it's heading towards the given something, the given diagram. Yeah, that's why it's internal. Like if you construct this full circle, it's going to affect this whole thing. You have it here, you understand? Because the radius given is 70. If you construct the full circle, it's going to be big and enter into. That's why it's internal. So to get internal, to calculate internal, you have it as large R minus small r. That is the what giving radius, which is 70, minus the radius of the circles. So let's do the first one. For I1, for this one first, the given radius is what? 70, minus small radius, which is the bigger radius of this one, is what? It's 27. 70 minus 27, it will give us what? Do the calculation very well. You have 10 minus 7, you have 3. This is 6 minus 2, you have 43 millimeters. Then for I2, we have 70 bigger given radius minus the other bigger radius here, which is what? Radius what? 20. That will give us 50 millimeters. Now let's use it and draw 50 millimeters. So let's take 43 first from here. 43 millimeters from here. 43 millimeters from here. We're gonna take it. Let's take it. You strike an arc. Your arc should be faint. Then 50 millimeters from here, which is 5 centimeters. I'm gonna keep on saying that. You should be used to it by now. 5 centimeter. Mark the arc. Then get, this is the midpoint, the point of intersection of the arcs. Use it to draw with the 70, the external arc, which is 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter, the external arc of 7 centimeter. All right, let's go. Yes, from here it's gonna meet here. Yes, that is it. So I believe you've seen it. Yeah, so we are almost through with this very work. Now the last thing is this line. Just join them together. Use a line meeting from this point to this point. All right, so we are through. Now let's dimension our work and indicate everything. So we have center lines here, center indicating, telling you that this has an opening. This. All right, so we are done with the dimensioning. All dimensions are in millimeters. Please ensure you indicate the millimeters very well. So thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for watching these videos. Please continue to watch our videos. See, we have more of Tangency coming up. We have this one, and lots more for where that came from. So please stay tuned with us. And I want you to, what does this shape look like? I want you to drop your comments in the comment section. What does it look like? Now don't forget to like this video, comment, and also share this video. Thank you so much, and God bless you.